think there's a kestrel sat on that trellis there. Sure it is. Yeah, kestrel. Excellent. Good morning everybody, and welcome to another wildlife and nature video. Now previously, in the last video, I said it was vlog number 20. Good morning everybody, and welcome to wildlife and nature vlog number 20. And of course it wasn't, it was vlog number 19. So welcome along to vlog number 20. It's about half seven in the morning. It's a very crisp morning, and I decided to come back out into the meadows and my local woodland, because I've not been here for a while. We've not done a video around here for quite a while, so I thought it best to come and just check everything out, see if there's anything changed. We've had some horrendous weather recently in Lancashire, a lot of rain, and so much so I decided to come out in the wellies this morning because everywhere is absolutely sodden, and I knew that the meadows would be pretty wet, and that's where I am now, as you can see. Somebody's bought a donkey. So yeah, it's the mist is just rolling in over the meadows, looking quite eerie. Like I say, it's very crisp. It's a really nice morning. I have noticed some changes already. Obviously the leaves are starting to change colour. So yeah, we'll just have a wander around. I don't think there's going to be that much to see. But we'll just go around, have a look, check on the apple trees, and I'll show you anything that I do find. Right, let's crack on. Sunrise was 7:30 this morning. It's still just coming up over the trees. Looking really nice. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy videos like this, wildlife and nature related, then please consider clicking on that subscribe button, which will just be down below. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next episode. Right, well this is the location of one of the apple trees. Have a look. There it is. Still staked up. It's looking quite healthy. It's looking alright, that. Getting quite strong down at the bottom. Yeah, that one's doing okay. Let's go and check the other one. The other day I did have a quick walk around the meadows. I didn't do any filming, and whilst I was walking past I heard a familiar noise and I just looked up in the kestrel tree where the nest box is, and there was a kestrel sat in the tree. Now, whether it was one of the family that we were following a while back, I don't know. In my apartment, I'm lucky to be on the second floor, and from my balcony I can actually see this sky above this meadow, and I could see a kestrel hovering. So there's definitely one hunting in this area, but that's something I'm going to be keeping my eye on. Hopefully they'll be returning at some point, or one of them is anyway. Another one. Looking okay. The leaves look a slightly different colour, I think, on this one. I don't know if it's because of the location or... But yeah, it's doing alright. Sounds like a jay. Kestrel and a jay. Ooh, that was the jay chasing after the kestrel. So it is around here somewhere. Excellent. Right, there's another one, something else. There, it's just left the tree. You probably couldn't see that. But something just landed in the nest box tree. Just flew off from here, from where I was stood. Over to there. The donkey's kicking off again. Right, it's the third apple tree. Clearly not doing as well, this one, because this was one of the first ones I put in. I don't think this ground is very good. I think it's very boggy and quite exposed as well. But still there. Still looks healthy enough. It just doesn't seem to be getting any bigger. Don't know whether you can hear that in the distance. That sounds very much like the call of the kestrels. What's that there? That could be a buzzard. You might not be able to see, it's too far away. Just coming up now. There. It's coming in. To be honest, I don't know what that was. Didn't look like a buzzard. What's another one coming in? What is that? It's big. They were really big. I think they were just crows, or I never know the difference between a crow, a rook and a raven. They just look really big. But I could definitely hear something in the distance that sounded very much like the young kestrels. There's all sorts of birds everywhere. There's another one there just flying around. It's a really nice morning. I'm fascinated by all this mist, fog. Right, let's head back into the woodland. birds going mental. I'll be honest, that's not something I would expect to find in the woods. Maybe out in the field or in the meadows. The sheep do go in one of the fields around here. I'm not sure what that's the jawbone off, but I'm very surprised to find that here. Somebody else must have found that and dropped it. If you know what that is, please leave a comment below. Look at these amazing colours. So it's just a short one today, as expected. There wasn't a great deal to see, but it was good to get out. I'm just about to go through a load of mud. It was good to get out in the fresh air and just have a check up on the meadows and the woodland. But yeah, not a great deal today, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, and please give us a thumbs up as always. Please leave your comments. I always enjoy reading those. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is just down below. And if you click on that bell icon, you won't miss out on the next episode. Okay, well that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.